Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Just another quick update. Once you comment, like, and share the video. Good afternoon, everyone. Stephen, good afternoon. First, you know, this criminal in Chicago by the miserable name Ogechi Okekenjaka, the adult imbecile, she's a nuisance, and I will not reduce myself to uh, level to join her in trading wars on social media. Hey, she's not my pedigree, you know, she's just nothing but a nuisance all over social media. Now, again, to the disclaimer, Ijele is not running any WhatsApp group, neither is anyone close to Ijele, myself, or any person soliciting for funds from members of the public or Ijele Nation in any form or shape. Now, the WhatsApp group she's running, that is not of Ijele Speaks. Now, interestingly, somebody brought it to my attention again this morning. She showed, okay, this is a WhatsApp group. She claimed that funds have been donated. In one of those, she was showing some guy that paid in 2 million. Now, people, go back and watch that video. Try to pay attention on the narration. You will see the person that made that transfer said USA visa was denied. So basically, that payment could be something relating to someone who is dealing with someone within the corridors of processing US visa or whatever. Just go back. People can go back and watch that video. The one she was showing someone paid in 2 million naira. Pay close attention. Pay close attention and see the narration at the top. Now, any person that comes to you to solicit for funds, any bank account, please try to flag that to my attention and where possible, report same account. Now she's showing the account. First and foremost, the bank, the name on the bank account is not related to King of the Game. We don't know who owns that account. They can go and verify who has that account. But I said it, these persons, they are such a low life, and I can't reduce myself to that standard of trading words with an imbecile. She's just an adult imbecile. I wouldn't reduce myself to that level. The simple thing is, disregard anyone who is coming to you to talk about you trying to donate some money in regards to Ijele's issue. And all she's been blabbing, on social media are nothing but catalog of lies. My job is to starve her of oxygen, to starve them of oxygen. What is that oxygen? Information. They wouldn't get any information out from us. Everything is being done and is being done within the court process. Let her come and tell you the up-to-date information. We know the antics. We understand everything. We are patient. We're in court. I can't say anything more than that. The lawyers are working assiduously. They wish they could get this information, but I wouldn't give them that information. So my area of interest is just to once again highlight, please do not part your hard-earned currencies. Do not give these guys your hard-earned money. If Ijele Nation or Ijele or myself would ask for public assistance, I would do it on this page. In as much as you've never seen anything published on this page or myself coming out to ask members of the public or good-spirited individuals to assist us with a cover, then that is not coming from us. You know, I know how many fake pages they have created. Even the king of the game, they've created so many fake pages. They've gone ahead to create so much of these fake pages, trying to like get people to part with their money. And this is all she knows how to do best. You know, this lady, you know, I wouldn't even call her lady. She's a pigment. You know, she's a criminal. She's a low life. And I promise myself, and I promise my beautiful family, I'm not going to bring myself to that, you know, her level of coming to trade was on social media. She can, you know, do that. That is all she knows how to do best. And sorry to say this, I'm not trying to say education is the most priority or the best in life. But what people can understand, this is someone who claimed to have lived in the United States for over a decade. She cannot even speak a simple English. I'm not even asking her to speak good English, just a simple, understandable English. She cannot. So I think a 4-year-old is better than, you know, I can communicate better with a 4-year-old than this imbecile who cannot read and write. The other day, she was making a video. She was trying to read the rulings from Magistrate Court 2. She cannot even read what was written. So she can't even read a book. And as a parent, I ask myself, can this imbecile even read, you know, for her kids? Can she even read, like, their storybooks to them? Can she, this, anyway, guys, I'm not going to come down to that level. Like I said, if you find anyone, any account anywhere, please flag it to my attention. You can tag me, either you can tag the pages and try to do all you can to report it, bring it to the attention of the right quarters. While I am doing this, I do not want anyone to lose their money. You know, I do not want people to say, hey, they paid money to, we are not asking for funds. Many people have reached out to me via inbox, even those who have my personal number, and the answer has been, thank you for now, we do not need that financial support. When we get to that bridge, we will make it public. We will make it known. You know, we will make it known. We'll ask for the help when it is time. But for now, we are not soliciting for funds. Disregard any WhatsApp group. These are cloned WhatsApp chats. And go and ask that criminal in Chicago, let her screenshot that guy he said I paid 2 million naira and post it on her page. Then guys, go and look at that narration. It is something relating to someone who paid, you know, I shouldn't even dispense my energy trying to explain this because of what? You know, this criminal, she's a lowlife, she's an imbecile, she's demented, you know, she's just a walking psychopath. Guys, thank you so much. And if I have any updates, I'll bring it. But regarding to the other process going on in court, we are keeping everything airtight. Nothing will be said. If anyone reaches out to you, try to add it to any WhatsApp group that, you know, is relating to King of the Game, please do not accept. If you do, you accept such on your own detriment. They are going to steal your data. They are going to make you go through pains. We are not asking for funds. If we're going to ask for funds, we'll come out here. I myself will come out to say, hey, now we need your assistance. But for now, there's no need for that. You know, we still have a long a long way to go. So far, so good. Most achievements have been made. But I will starve them of that information. Let them be the ones to come out and say, you know, the up-to-date information. Guys, I might understand most of us are worried. Most people are disturbed, but it is the process. Ijele understands this. I understand this. And now let me say this. We together, collectively, we've made a mark. When was the last time his dog of man released a fake miracle? He cannot, that will never fly again. This is just one of the immediate achievements. If people are beginning to pay attention, most of these Pentecostals, dog of men, they are beginning to become careful about releasing their fake miracles. In particular, this dog of man. When was the last time he released his fake miracle? Let him try that padlock miracle again. It's not going to fly. It's not going to fly at all. Guys, thank you so much, and I'll speak to you some other time.